This is disgusting.
Welcome to Lavazza Coffee. Let's take a look around. 1895, Lavazza was founded by Luigi Lavazza, led Lavazza to be #1 in Italy, and then they became very well known in Europe, and then now really growing in both North America and Asian market. Lavazza's gone from 1895 being a local business in Turin, Italy, to now being a global coffee giant.
It starts from green bean to roasting, from roasting to grinding, from grinding to packaging, and then from packaging to a cup of coffee. So we do it in few different ways. It can be the whole bean, it can be ground, it can be in a sachet or a single serve bag.
We have 2 coffee grinders, we have a roaster, we have 3 other production lines that do bigger coffee bags.
The innovation that we go through to not only keep our coffee how we've been making it for hundreds of years, but also to expand on it and innovate with it, come up with new flavors or ideas, and just ever expanding the experience of Lavazza coffee.
Well, I've spent my whole career in manufacturing, and the thing I really love about manufacturing is that every detail matters and every detail can be improved.
Wow, I didn't know coffee manufacturing was so cool.
Here, enjoy a cup of Lavazza coffee.
Awakening a better world.
Every morning.